Hey everyone, this is Brian from Vance Hines, and thank you for joining me on another Fuelpak Friday, where today we're going to talk about the all-new System Switch Restore tool, as well as cruise control, enable, and disable. So from the main menu, select View, Edit, Maps, scroll down, and select the highlighted map. Now when this loads, we'll want to look at the lower right-hand corner and select the button that says More. And then from there, select System Switches. Now you'll notice the menu has a few new options. One of them is cruise control, which we can enable and disable by flicking the switch. This bike will also need the automatic compression releases. So the upper right-hand corner is the new System Switch Restore button. Go ahead and press that, and it'll reset the switch to factory standards. Back out, hit the lightning bolt, and that will go ahead and flash the changes into the motorcycle. Now this tool will be very handy if you are installing an aftermarket cruise control and would like to enable it without taking it to the dealership. Also, in the event that you flash a bike with the FP3 and notice that your cruise control is no longer functioning, or you're seeing some issues with the fuel gauge or radio, this will go ahead and rectify any of those issues. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me on another Fuelpak Friday, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.